friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Silent. Today I will share with you about a new billion project named as Robot AI Agent. I will share all the detail about this dollar robot, that how you can buy dollar robot on Solana blockchain, and it is the meme coin. I will share all the detail in this video, so stay tuned and watch full video. Without wasting time, I will start review of this brilliant project. But before that, this video is for educational purpose. This is not an financial advice, so do your own research before investing in it. So you can see their home is given about is given community. You can easily be able to join them on Twitter, Telegram. I will share their white paper to Robot AI Agent Revolution. You can see it here. They have experienced the future of meme coin on Solana blockchain with the robot token, so you can also experience that. They have first of all welcome you to the robot meme coin. They have joined here all the details. You can be able to join dynamic community and you can play explore the playful world of robot. They have a unique meme coin which is inspired by the technology and artificial intelligence on the Solana blockchain. They have 150 plus innovative spirit and 15 community driven. You can see there is a logo is given. You can read all that. They have total robot supply, which you can see they have a lot of supply which is given here. They have here the innovative technology token allocation. All detail is given. Experience the fusion of robotics and cryptocurrency, driving innovative in a meme coin landscape. They have token allocation, connect with fellow enthusiasts and participate in exciting events that celebrate or shared experience. You can see they have listing 9% early contributor, 6% team and advisor, 10% initial liquidity, 5% marketing, 10% for development, 50% for their community. If you go and see the community strength here, you can see the crypto lover New York and tech enthusiasts, and you can see it here. They're given here about the robot token. The robot token is a unique blend of humor technology, making investing enjoyable and engaging for everyone involved in the community. So these are their community strength. You can join the fun with robot, a meme coin that embrace innovation and also the community. So if I go further below and share the other details, you can see the gallery explore the playful world of robot and its vibrant community. You can see their detail is given. You can join them on Twitter, Telegram, all the other details which is given us. If I go further, they have the white paper and this meme coin is on Solana. You can see in a constantly evolving cryptocurrency market, meme coin have captured the attention of investors and communities due to their fun, innovative, and sometimes unpredictable nature. You can see all the details, and this is on Solana blockchain. You can see what is Robot. Robot is a meme coin created on the Solana blockchain on the fastest and most cost-efficient platform in the cryptocurrency market. Like many other meme coins, Robot drives a strength from dynamic community, its playful side, and its potential to surprise. So why Solana? You can see active community. The heart of robot project lies in its community. Whether you are tech enthusiast, a meme lover, or an investor looking to diversify, you can see the tokenomics and accessible fun. And you can see the tokenomics marketing, 10% developer, 10% community, 50% initial liquidity, 5%. And you can see the of their total supply. They give the details which I already share on the basically website too. So further I will go for the main project, which is a pre-sale buy on Sol sale. You can see dollar robot token sale is live. You can join. Sale start in just 1 hour, so must go and join it as the video will be live. The sale will also be live, so must go and join the sale and get the opportunity, bestest opportunity. So you can be able to make it the AI powered innovation. Secure your tokens now and be a part of the revolution. Dollar robot token sale and all the details. Again, what is robot? You can see the details which I share with you on the basically roadmap too. They have the roadmap and long-term vision, expanding the community through targeted marketing campaigns, establish community reward programs, developing features and all that. You can see it here. So if I go for the next option, which is about the sale, you can see their token name is robot, their token symbol is given, total supply is given, token for pre-sale, soft market cap, and all the detail is given. Estimated launch will be in 111 days. You can see it here. They have given given here the details. 10% 25, minimum buy is 15 USDC, maximum buy is 450 USDC. You can see listing price, listing rate is 4,000 robot, and total contribution, you can see all the details. The liquidity is 20%, pre-sale start time is 11 May, and it will be end on 15th 8th of 2025. So you can see it is for the longest time, so it is the biggest opportunity for all of you to must go and do all that. So further they have the tokenomics which is given here, and I already shared the tokenomics here. So they have unlocked, which is 94%. They have liquidity, which is 1.092%. They have the pre-sale, which is 4.55%. You can see the locks which is given here, so you can see nothing here that. So you can also join them on their community, which is robot. You can see view in Telegram, and you can join them their community, so that you can easily be able to be a part of their community. And I share all the details. So if you like my video, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.